Volume of prisms in word problems. So the first thing we want to talk about today is an aquarium. Let's say you have an aquarium that's 30 inches by 10 on the bottom, so 30 across, 10 going deep, and 18 inches tall. But your teacher only wants to fill it 3/4 of the way full. So let's find the total volume first. V equals big BH, replace B with length times width. So 30 times 10 times 18, which tells us that the whole aquarium could hold 5,400 cubic inches of water. But your teacher only wants 3/4 of it to leave room for plants and rocks. So we want 3/4 of the 5,400. You could do 3/4 times 5,400. It's not easy to cancel there, so I just multiply across, which gives you 16,200 divided by 4, which tells you that 3/4 of the aquarium would hold 4,050 cubic inches. So looking at the aquarium, that would be dividing it into 4 parts and keeping 3 of them. So that's the water level right there. Our next prism is a triangular prism because it has 2 triangular bases. It has a length of 21 centimeters, that's our height of our box. The edge of the triangle is 3.5 centimeters, and the height of that triangle is 3 centimeters. So now we can find our volume. We're going to start with the formula V equals big BH. The B stands for area of the base, and we know it's a triangle, so replace B with 1/2 little bh times the height of the prism. So that first little h is the height of that triangular end, and the second h is how long the box is, 21 centimeters. So substitution step, 1/2 times 3.5 times 3 times the 21 centimeters. On a calculator, what you could do is do 3.5 times 3 times 21 and hit enter, and then divide by 2. That would give you a volume of 110.25 cubic centimeters. Our next figure is a hexagonal prism. It has a base area of 42 square centimeters and a height of 8 centimeters. Well, we know the volume formula is V equals big BH, and the B stands for area of the base. So we don't even have to substitute out for another formula because they gave us the area of the base is 42, the height is 8. We simply multiply those together and we get 336 cubic centimeters.